All right, so I got it to work. You clean that starter post off. I sprayed some battery acid on there, let it soak. Cleaned it off with a wire brush. Hose it off with water. Dried it off with a rag. And I dried it off with a rag and a leaf blower to get the extra water up out of there. And I tighten that back on there. That is the negative. That is the negative terminal for the starter. I'm gonna come in here, start it back up. Now it cranks right up. So if y'all been having this issue, go ahead and try this before you take it to a shop. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.